Okay, next third type is benzylic alcohols. What are benzylic alcohols? You have already studied about benzylic halides, right? Benzylic alcohols. These are the alcohols in which OH is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, that is saturated carbon atom, sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is present adjacent to this carbon atom is present adjacent to aromatic ring, benzene ring. So these are the alcohols in which OH is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is present adjacent to aromatic ring. Example, we can write C6H5CH2OH. This is benzyl alcohol. The common name of this compound is benzyl alcohol, and the IUPAC name is phenyl methanol. One more example we can write. Second example, this 1H we can replace by CH3. If we replace 1H by CH3, this will be phenyl ethanol. The name of this compound is phenyl ethanol. Then one more compound we can write by replacing this hydrogen also by CH3. One more example we can write, that is C6H5 CH3OH. The name of this compound is 2-phenyl propane 2-all. 2-phenyl propane 2-all. This is carbon atom 2. So 1, 2, 3. 2-phenyl propane 2-all. So these are benzylic alcohols. The next type of alcohol is second type. So compounds containing OH on sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Compounds containing OH on sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So in these compounds, OH is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. sp2 hybridized carbon atom means carbon containing double bond. OH is attached to carbon containing double bond. So we can write this H, this as H. So this is CH2. This is ethanol, ethene 1-all or ethanol, ethene 1-all. This is these compounds containing OH on sp2 hybridized carbon atom. These are also called as vinylic alcohols. The IUPAC name, common name of this compound is vinyl alcohol. IUPAC name is ethene 1-all, ethanol, ethene 1-all. So these are also called as vinylic alcohols. So what are vinylic alcohols? These are the alcohols in which OH is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. That is carbon containing double bond. Carbon-carbon, OH is attached to carbon-carbon double bond. So these are compounds containing OH on sp2 hybridized carbon atom, that is vinylic alcohols. Next we study about structure of functional group. Structure of functional group in alcohols. We have seen alcohols, general formula of alcohols is ROH. We can take one example, methanol, methyl alcohol, CH3OH. That means these alcohols contain COH bond. Let us see the structure of this functional group, OH functional group. Here, the oxygen atom is sp3 hybridized. The oxygen atom is sp3 hybridized. So, since it is sp3 hybridized, the 4 hybrid orbitals are oriented towards the 4 corners of a regular tetrahedron. The 4 hybrid orbitals are oriented towards the 4 corners of a regular tetrahedron. Out of the 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals, 2 hybrid orbitals contain lone pair of electrons and 2 other contains bond pair of electrons. We know from BSEPR theory, lone pair interaction. Lone pair interaction, that is lone pair or lone pair repulsion is greater than lone pair bond pair, which is greater than bond pair repulsion. So, due to greater repulsion between lone pairs, so the lone pairs go further, hence the bond pairs come closer. The bond pairs come closer. Hence, since this oxygen atom is sp3 hybridized, the 4 hybrid orbitals are oriented towards the 4 corners of a regular tetrahedron. So, it has a tetrahedral structure. The bond angle, COH bond angle should be 109 degree 28 minutes. But here, due to greater repulsion between lone pair and lone pair repulsion, the bond pairs come closer. Hence, the bond angle decreases from 109 degree 28 minutes to 108.9 degree. So, in alcohols, that is, if we take methanol, in methanol, the bond angle, COH bond angle is 108.9 degree. So, this is the structure of functional group. Next, we study about nomenclature of alcohols. Nomenclature of alcohols. As you know, there are two systems of naming organic compounds, that is the common system and the IUPAC system. Let us name some of the compounds, alcohols. So, compound, common name and IUPAC name. See, in common system, alcohols are named as alkyl alcohols. The alkyl group is named first, followed by the word alcohol. Whereas in the IUPAC system, they are named as alkanols. This in common system, they are named as alkyl alcohols. The alkyl group is named first, then followed by the word alcohol. In the IUPAC system, they are named as alkanols. That is, they are named as the derivatives of alkanes by replacing E of the alkane by ol. E of the alkane is replaced by ol. So, for example, CH3OH. Common name of this compound is methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol. IUPAC name is methanol. Next is CH3CH2OH, that is C2H5OH. Common name of this compound is ethyl alcohol. IUPAC name is ethanol. Next compound CH3CH2OH. Common name of this compound is N-propyl alcohol. N-propyl alcohol. IUPAC name of this compound is propane-1-ol. Propane-1-ol. Next compound, one more isomer of this, let us write CHOH CH3. The common name of this compound is isopropyl alcohol. This is isopropyl group, isopropyl alcohol. IUPAC name of this compound is propane-2-ol. Propane-2-ol. Next, let us write CH3 with 4 carbon atoms. Let us write CH3CH2CH2OH. This is N-butyl alcohol, common name. IUPAC name is butane-1-ol. Butane-1-ol. Next iso, let us write one more isomer of this, CH3, CHOH, CH2OH. This carbon to which OH group is attached, it is a secondary carbon. Therefore, it is secondary butyl alcohol. Common name of this is secondary butyl alcohol. IUPAC name of this compound is, this is CH3. IUPAC name of this is butane 2-ol. Butane 2-ol. Next compound CH3, CH, CH3, CH2OH. This is iso group, so this is butyl. So isobutyl alcohol is the common name, and IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, that is 2-methyl propane 1-ol is the IUPAC name. Next, some compounds let us write. This is cyclohexane, cyclohexanol. IUPAC name of this compound is cyclohexanol. Next compound let us write. This is 3-bromocyclohexanol. IUPAC name of this compound is 3-bromocyclohexanol. Next, let us write one more cycloalkanol, that is OHCH3. This is 2-methyl cyclohexanol. 2-methyl cyclohexanol. Now let us name some of the some more compounds, that is from your in-text questions. You go through the in-text questions and try to answer the questions. Here some compounds are given for writing their IUPAC names. So first one is CH3. CH. Here you have to select the carbon chain which should contain OH group. The carbon chain should contain OH group. So this is that chain. If you consider this chain, it contains 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms only. This chain, if we consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms. So, but this 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms only. So we have to select the carbon chain like this. Numbering from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the IUPAC name of this compound is 3-chloromethyl. This is chloromethyl group. This is isopropyl group. So 3-chloromethyl, 2-isopropyl pentane 1-ol. The IUPAC name of this compound is 3-chloromethyl, 2-isopropyl pentane, only single bonds are there, pentane 1-ol. Next compound, let us take second one, CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH, OH, CH, CH2OH, CH3. You have to name these compounds, all these compounds. So, how to select the carbon chain? This OH, both the OH should be present. So, we have to select this carbon chain, numbering from right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atoms. So, this contains, this here 1-methyl group, this 2-methyl groups it contains. So, 2, 5 dimethyl. 2, 5 dimethyl. 6 carbon atoms are there. So, hex. Only single bonds are there. Ane. Here, 2 OH groups are there. It is a diol. So, in diols, if the compound contain more than one OH group, we have to retain E also. So hexane. So OH are present on first carbon atom and third carbon atom. Therefore, it is 1,3 diol. This is the IUPAC name of this compound. Next compound, CH2 double bond CH. CH2 CH2 CH3. So numbering, this is easy. We have to start numbering from OH group should get the lowest number, and next the preference is for double bond. So we have to number from left side. So the name of this is hex. So no substituent groups are there. So hex 1-ene-3-ol. The IUPAC name of this compound is hex 1-ene-3-ol. Hex 1-ene-3-ol. Next one, CH3 CH3 See, this we have to number from this side because OH group is there on right side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is bromo group. This contains two substituent groups. One bromo group, one methyl group. But alphabetical order, bromo group should come first. So this is 2 bromo, 3 methyl, but 2-ene-1-ol. But 2-ene-1-ol. The IUPAC name of this compound is 2 bromo, 3 methyl, but 2-ene-1-ol. You have to write the name. Next compound, last one other, let us write. That is fifth one, CH3 CHCl CH2OH. This we have to number from right side. So this is chloro group, 2 methyl groups are there. In the alphabetical order, chloro group comes first. So this is 4 chloro, 2,3 dimethyl, pentane 1-ol. This is the IUPAC name. You have to write. You just see the compound and write the name. What is the name of this compound? This is 4 chloro, 2,3 dimethyl, pentane 1-ol. Only single bonds are there, therefore ane, pentane 1-ol. E should not be written here. E should be replaced by ol in this. Here, if two OH groups are there in this compound, 2 OH groups are there, so E should be retained. Here, E should be replaced by OH. So this is about nomenclature of alcohols. In the next class we will study about preparation of alcohols.